Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Right now I'm headed into town. I'm about to go to a few stores and get a few things that I need for this weekend, and I will be showing you the ongoing, never-ending construction, so stay tuned. This just seems like it will never end. This construction has been going on for the past 3 months, if not more than that. Oh my God, it's a nightmare. But they're getting there. My ghetto smoothie to go and a water bottle. Don't judge me. Papaya, banana, and vanilla smoothie. Just makes you want to be at the beach. Look at this mess. Feel like you're walking on the moon. It looks like they're making some progress. I guess they're having 2 sides of the road now. But I guess everybody is using this one side until that part is fixed. I don't know what that's going to be. They did a whole sewer system underground on the other side. It's eerily quiet today. I normally don't come out on Fridays. I don't know. It's weird that it's so quiet out here. It's so quiet. All I hear is distant cow moves and birds chirping. Oh, I might can't walk through there. OMG. Whole ground is dug up underground. Just like the last street was a few weeks ago. I couldn't get out. I'm convinced I'm trapped in the Matrix. The world is testing me. Even the dog is upset. He can't get across to see his little girlfriend. Oh no, I guess she's right here. I know he's happy that the other dog can't get across to mess with his little girlfriend. I don't know if I'm going to work today. I'm feeling a little... Oh man, I'm just going to learn to not care about things as much. Not let things bother me. It is what it is, you know. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I'm over it. I'm trying to be patient though. Well, I guess I won't be walking that way today. Wow. Okay, Audi, I see you. It's like, where can you walk? Hope I can find a good spot to walk up here, because I don't want to walk in the middle of the street. I knew he was going to start spraying that shit again. I knew it. Look at this bullshit. Wow.